Oh là là, c'est un
Ouais.
bois. Là, c'est un bois. N'ayez pas peur. N'ayez pas peur.
Waouh, celui-là. On a du 4-5 cm là.
Hailstorms have wreaked havoc on the Gaillac vineyards this Saturday, August the 24th, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. According to the president of the Gaillac winehouse, some farms have been completely devastated, with 100% of their crops affected. The hail has not only destroyed vines and grapes, but has also caused significant damage to equipment and the roofs of various farms. The president expressed concern that the impact of this event will be felt well into the next year. A meeting is planned for the coming week with public authorities, including representatives from the state and the department and the local agglomeration, to discuss the possible aid that can be provided to the affected farmers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.